Hi, it's George at Suprema. Today I'm going to be going through the OM-120, which is another one of our RS485 devices, opening the box, what's in the box, and just what other devices it can connect to. So let's open the box. This one has already been opened previously, but it is exactly the same as what is coming in a new one. So you have the OM-120 itself, which is more of a circuit board, but it is just because it has so many relays. These are normally described as elevator controls just because of how many relays they have. They have 12 relays which connect to each of the elevator buttons so that when a user authenticates their fingerprint, it can then take them to the specific floor that they have access to. As well as in the box, there is the wall diagram just in case you need to install it in an existing box or a wall, and then the actual mounting plinths. On the connections on the OM-120, the main connections will be all the relays. Like said previously, these are normally connected into elevator controls that then press the button to go to a specific floor on a user authentication. They can also be used for locker systems, so that when you authenticate, it will open the specific door on the locker and then allow access into the locker. Like the DM20, this is an RS485 device, so that you will actually need to connect it to an existing device for it to function. On the other side, there are two aux-ins. These can actually be used for like tamper systems or any inputs that you do want into the system itself. Biostar 2 is fully customizable so that you can say what output, what input does what on the system. Again, so, if this has been added to an existing system before, you can reset it via the device itself. It's the same what is on the DM20, so you have this init button up here. It would just then be 3 short presses and then 3 long presses. Once you've done that, you can then add it to a new system or a new device. That was the OM-120, the elevator control and maybe the lockbox control. Again, an RS device, so it would be installed on an existing device. So that was the OM-120 device. Again, George at Suprema. Maybe see you again in another video.